All right, let's talk about domain. As stated, the first three, f plus, f minus, and f times g, all have the same domain. To figure out the domain, you have to figure out the domain for the individual functions. Don't look at the final answer to figure out domain. So what's the domain of f? Looking at function f. 3x minus 5, remember that checklist of 3 things. Oh, did everyone do the extra credit? Oh my gosh, you guys, what am I not wearing right now? All right, first thing, are there any fractions? No. Are there any square roots, fourth roots, sixth roots, so on? No. We don't know about the third thing. It doesn't matter for us right now. So what's the domain of f? All real numbers. How about g? Any fractions? No. Any radicals of even index? No. It's a square, not a square root. We don't know about the third thing. What's the domain of g? All real numbers. So all numbers you can think of are in the domain of f. All numbers that you can think of are in the domain of g. So what numbers do those domains have in common? All real numbers. So the domain of f plus, f minus, and f times is all real numbers. Because it works for each part. However, we consider this domain, the f plus minus times, and now for f over g, we take out any numbers that would make the denominator, in this case g of x, equal to 0. Where our function g of x is x squared minus 9, what numbers would those be? 3 and negative 3. So everything but 3 and negative 3 is in the domain of f over g. So even though it's in the individual domains, it will cause a division by 0. And that's bad.